Hello guys, I welcome you to Money Close FX Education YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to teach you about an order block scalping strategy. Okay, so if you're new here, join this amazing family by subscribing to this channel. If you're already part of this family, I salute you. So guys, without further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, I want to show you how to scalp using order blocks, and the most important thing we're going to pay attention to, number one, we must trade to the direction of the trend. And how are we going to know about the direction of the trend? We're going to analyze higher time frame market structure, and by analyzing this market structure will enable us not to trade against the trend. Okay, number two, we're going to mark our point of interest, target points where we can execute our trade. Okay, and number three, we're going to refer our entries or the point of interest we've marked 4 hour and 1 hour. And number four, we're going to look for 5 minutes buy and sell. At this point, we're going to see there will be liquidity. Also on 5 minutes time frame, that's where we're going to look for entries. And looking for entries at 5 minutes time frame, you're just going to look for a change of character. And what do I mean by change of character? We're going to look for maybe there was breakout of structure, there's formation of double top, double bottom. All those confirmation is so easy. Where to put our stop loss, where to take our profits, and so on and so forth, guys. Okay, so let's start. So number one, what you're going to look for, as I said before, we're going to look for overall market structure from 4 hours time frame. And what we do look for market structure, of course, we look when the market is trending down, or whether the market is trending up, or rather when the market is ranging. So at this point, we have our trending market, and we're going to look for structures. At here we have our lower high, our lower low, our lower low, our lower high, our lower low, our lower high, lower low. So this is basically the market is trending down. Okay, so this will help us not to trade against the trend. You understand? So when you check all these, when you hope that the market is on downtrend, also on 4 hours time frame, you're going to the possible areas that you are going to execute your trade, and this is called the point of interest. Okay, so that's what most of find people using the abbreviations of POI. That's what we mean by point of interest. So we're going to mark it right here. I'm using my horizontal line over here, and I will mark it right here. Okay, so once you have marked it from a 4 hour time frame, you're going to check this area at 1 hour time frame. So most of the times when you have marked your point of interest right here, most of the times you do wait for it to be tested again to your point of interest. And let's go to 1 hour time frame and see what happened later. We use the 1 hour time frames. We're using 4 hour time frame to analyze the market, and as you can see right here, the market came back to our point of entry. This is our point of entry that I had marked from our 4 hour time frame, and when it came to this point also, it's absolute the same level. So you can go to 5 minutes time frame and look for entries and execute your trades right away. This is called scalping. So when it comes to scalping, you're not holding your order for long. So we're going to 5 minutes time frame and look for entries. Remember, this is my point of entry that I have marked from 4 hour time frame is still on 1 hour time frame, and exactly we have this on 5 minutes time frame. So when it comes to 5 minutes time frame right here, as I said before on my Telegram group, I wrote something. When it comes to such levels, you do look for entries, and what you must keep in mind, you can look breakout of structure, and number two, you can look for wicks, rejection of higher prices, and number three, you can look for candlestick patterns, and number four, you can look for formation of double top. Remember, it must be confirmed. Let's say this is the double top over here. Price must act this way. Okay, it must retest, your neckline over here. The same applies when you're trading your double bottom. Your neckline must be tested. Okay, that's what I really mean for it to be confirmed. So at this point over here, there was kind of a consolidation over here, but the market came to our level over here. Immediately you see such weak, you're supposed to know that there is weakness in the market. Buyers are being weak and they're being rejected. Right here, you could wait for this level to be broken right here, and you could have scalped your trade right here. Okay, you could have executed your trade right here and exit your market to your next resistance. Okay, and you place your stop loss just above our entry point right here. That's where your stop loss could be, and you exit definitely could be your next resistance if you're selling. Okay, so guys, that's how you can scalp using order blocks. Remember, I've done a full video of how to understand your order blocks. You can check that video, the link is on my description, so that you can understand what I really mean by order block. So to simplify all what I've told you, number one, you must analyze the market from higher time frame, looking for market structure. This will help you not to trade against the trend. Number two, you must mark down your point of interest. Number three, you're supposed to refer your point of interest to 1 hour time frame if you're analyzing from 4 hour time frame. And number four, you should be looking for 5 minutes buying and selling opportunity. This is so easy. In fact, it's very, very easy. The most important thing you're supposed to do is being patient enough. Being very patient, you can get proper setup and good entries and reliable entries. So guys, let's have our example right here. So we're going to analyze our market from 4 hour time frame. As you said before, we're going to look for market structure, and this is a downtrend, of course, because we have our higher high over here and it gave us our higher low right here. So definitely the market is trending down. Mark down your point of interest. What you're supposed to see it being broken is this level over here. So you're supposed to mark your point of interest at this point. I'm going to refer this from 1 hour time frame and see what happened right here. So guys, I hope you are together kindly. Okay, so let's do this. Let's go to 1 hour time frame. In fact, this is the live market. Having it right here, of course, the market broke out below point of interest, and you can see, and the market came back to this level over here. So let's go to 5 minutes time frame and look for entries. Okay, I hope guys are following up what I'm saying. So guys, 5 minutes time frame, the most important thing you're supposed to look at when our point of interest was really broken, like right here. Okay, so if you was to scalp right here, you can see this was a formation of double top over here, and there was a broke of it because the market came back and retested our neckline, and then it proceeded down. So you could have executed your trade right here, okay, and exit it right here from this resistance and place a stop loss just above the highs, okay, and execute your trade. Okay, wait for the market to come back again to this level. Of course, it did not break above, so it was still valid. And of course, when the market dropped our previous high, okay, so the market came here and it was unable to break this high over here. At this point, I've looked for breakout of structure to execute my trade over here. When it came to this level over here, you should give it time for it to break our previous highs over here and execute your trade right away. And you could have executed your trade at this level and put your stop loss just above this high over here, and then exit your trade targeting your next resistance. Okay guys, that's how you can easily scalp using the order block, analyzing from the 4 hour time frame market structure, marking down your point of interest, and referring your point of entry from 4 hour 1 hour, then look for 5 minutes buy and sell opportunity and execute your trade. This is so easy guys. Remember, forex is all about patience. Forex is all about waiting. Okay, unfortunately it broke our point of interest at this point over here. So once it broke our point of interest over there, so you're supposed to be patient enough and there will be confirmation that this market will proceed up. But unfortunately it didn't. It formed a double top. This was our high, and unfortunately that high was unable to be broken over here. So the market started giving us our low high over here. So that was a clear indication that there is no potential movement to the upside, and now the reversal is taking place and the market is proceeding down. Okay guys, so that's how you can easily scalp using an order block strategy. I hope you've really understood, and kindly test this on your demo account before going live, okay, and perfectly. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to subscribe, remember to like this video, comment down below and tell me your experiences. Okay guys, see you in my next video. I love you so much. Bye guys.